Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a fire warning at the request of Dallam County Emergency Management for northern Dallam County. At 1:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 15 miles northeast of Ware, or 23 miles north of Dalhart, moving rapidly northeast. Areas impacted, mainly grassland and portions of Highway 385 from about 23 miles north of Dalhart to the Oklahoma state line. Additional information: smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property, including Highway 385 near the Oklahoma state line. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from officials. Do not drive into smoke.